go to school. Give them good education. If you can do these two things, you have done well for your children. Yes, the money aspect, if you get, save. If you not get, you know, go thief. Okay? Once you give your children these two things, you have done, in fact, you have made this, you have made it for them. You have done well for them. You have done excellent for them. Those children will not forget you. Those children will live to remember, say, my mother, she fought for us to have our nationality. And my mother gave us good education. They will not forget. These are the most important thing, not money. Because children that you get these two things will make money. More than enough. Excess money for themselves. Okay? Saving money is a choice if you have. If you don't have, don't go and steal. But make sure the country you are, you maintain your records to be clean. When it's time for you to obtain your passport, obtain it. Obtain for your children. You have done well, number one. Number two, make sure your children goes to school. Make sure they love school. They go to school. Encourage them. Okay? Make sure they are not drop out. Make sure they study and they obtain a career for themselves. The sky will be their stepping stone. The sky will be their starting points. If you give them these two things, saving money for them is a choice. Okay? It's a choice. If you like, save. If you don't like, not save. But don't make sure these two things is in place in their life. Passport and good education. Make sure it's in place in their life. Just leave that, and see that child succeed like a star. More than a star even. What star? Which money? The child that you give these two things, passport is there. There is no limitation. It can go around the world. And you now give that child good education. Tell me what will limit this child when you give your child these two things. Passport and good education. Tell me one thing that will limit that child. When you give this child these two things, these valuable, important two things. Tell me what will hinder that child. When you give him or her passport as a mother or as a father, and you get that child good education, and tell me what will limit that child in life. Nothing. It's not your one kobo you want to save that will make that child life prosper. No. When this is the prosperity. The prosperity is in these two things. Passports, so that they can travel around the world, do their masters, any country of their choice. Go around the world, anywhere they want to go. There is no limitation. There is no barrier for them. And you give them good education. When you give them good education, they obtain a career for themselves. Tell me, if I don't go, they beg them. Depend any career where they study, now they're going to use the work, beg them. Going outside, going elsewhere to work will not be a barrier, because why? They have their red P with them. Okay? They have their red P with them. Don't let anybody deceive you. Ekobete is a failure. Her children does not have red P. She is a failure. She has failed those children. She has failed those children. This is what Mommy Love gave to her children. Okay? That money aspect, if you like, save. If you don't like, not save. I am of the opinion, if you have extra to save, save for them. It's not important. But if you have extra, save. If you don't have, come on, make sure these two things is in place. Good education for your children. And their passport, citizenship. Make sure it's in place. And tell me one witch and wizard that will limit such a child. You know they. Even we that didn't carry career to this place, we see strong go and succeed, some of us. We see succeed and excel. And prosper. So tell me what will limit children that you have given these two things. You get back to them abroad. You get them their nationality. And you get them good education. They will take career for themselves. Tell me what will limit such a child. You know they. Nothing will limit that child. Okay, Ekobede is just a talkative and she hates seeing people progress. Exactly, mommy. Exactly. Fear no go let me touch this thing now. Where I anger make it no go for. Can you imagine? Eh? Let me read you guys' comments. It said, you are 100% right. Passport is now blue in color. Okay. Our own is red. Say you are 100% right. UK, okay, you say UK passport is not blue in color. Okay, that's nice. So far na bale, even though they make am yellow. So far na P, red P, na P. I want a red P, now on a waiting, blue P. So far na P. Not shaking at all. So far na bale. Are you getting me? Not be a cop better way fail at children woefully. They talk about make them safe. Ask her whether you safe. Ask her whether they safe for the children. Children when he limits them, no ballet for them, no, even no money for them, nothing for them. A competitor failed at children woefully. Shame on her. Shame on her. Eh? Let me read comments. I'm coming. I hear say a competitor husband they do le book. Kabu. If they do kabu, okay, it's possible. Obewe. If you see they still do a kabu, it's still good. Eh? Because now Obewe now they said ring lights for a kobete. I don't understand why they give monarchial children passports. I don't understand why they not give monarchial children passports. Me too. If something is not right here, if Ambrosue the Obewe get passport like they claim, so what will be preventing the children not to have? I'm not getting that. Or are the children not bearing his name? Not say they be missing blood children. Monica children are missing blood. I think they are not bearing his name. They are not bearing Ambrose Igbobian name. How come the children are not having passports? Because as long as Igbobian gets, the children are supposed to get through him. My children got passports through me. Yes, they got their passport through me. So for the children not to have, I bet mekuna tinka, mekuna reason now. Is it that Ambrose where your Bewe Igbobian they have taken the passport because they have committed a lot of crime in Netherlands before they run away? Is it that they didn't renew the passport for him, or they have killed the passport? What happened? Because to me, I'm not getting it. I have family in Netherlands that have asked questions. It's strange for Ambrose Igbobian to have passport and the children does not have. Even the daughter, the senior daughter that is 19 does not have till date. What is going on? Something is not just right. It's not making sense. You know monarchia can fake anything fakeable. Is it that Ambrose does not have any more? Or what is going on? Ekobete does not have after 32 years abroad. After enough a shower work. Passport no dey. Children when she born no get. They see they carry Nigeria pale. Children when they born for abroad. Only. It's not wrong to carry Nigeria pale, but at least like my children now, they get their Nigeria pale, they get their Spanish pale. You understand? Why children when they born for abroad no get passports? They see they carry Nigeria pale and they see they renew one year document. Say they waka. One year residence. Why? Like Idare, where use leg, follow Libya enter house. The same level. 9 monarchial children day. Like Idare were just come 5 years ago. Where get 2 years residence. Now the same level, Ekobete children day. Is it not shameful? They don't even grow. Not that they are small. Maybe he's on the way or whatever. What went wrong there? Is Ekobete, you are a failure. You are a disappointment to your children. I've just said this. The 2 things that really matter that you need to give your children, you get there to abroad, is number 1, passports. Number 2, good education. Don't fail them in that. Give it to them. And that child must succeed. Nothing will hinder such a child that you have given these 2 things. And with God on their side. Let's not forget God. With prayer alongside. Yes. Prayer is the key. With prayer alongside, nothing will limit that child not to succeed. When you have given passports, you have given them good education. What else? What else? You put them in prayer as a mother. What else? What will not limit that child? Tell me. What will not be a barrier in such a child that you have given these 2 important things? Nothing can limit such a child. Nothing. Nothing. Okay? So, Ekobete na failure. She really failed for her children's life. She failed those children. She disappointed them. She failed them woefully. It is strange. Those kids does not have citizenship because they are the citizens. Because their dad has. Because their dad, you mean dad, their dad has. Okay. Maybe it was a typing error. Because their dad, their father has. Exactly. Veronica. That place is not clear to me. It's not adding up. It does not add up. Why are those children still documented? They are still not having nationality. Something is not. I say that because they commit a lot of crime in Netherlands. Who knows? When you commit crime with your passport, who knows? Maybe they have collected Ambrose's passport from him. He's no longer having. Who knows? Monekia, the adulteress, will not come and tell. Such news outside. She will cover it up. Because what is preventing those children not to have their nationality? Even at their age, they have grown. They have grown. Eh? It's not adding up, oh, my lovely people. It is important for children we give birth here to have their citizenship. Exactly. Very, very important. Very, very important. Let me read this comment. He said, the sky will be their limit. Exactly. The child that you have given passports, good education, the sky is their limit now. They will fly high like an eagle. They will walk strong. They will step their foot on the rock to stand. They must be successful. They're not born us here. Some of us they're not born for abroad. We came, start from square one. Many of us will succeed. We are successful. So tell me what will not limit children that got good education, they got their passports, even before they even grow up, they got their passports. What will not limit such children? Nothing. There is nothing. That man said, you are looking very beautiful, sis. Thank you so much, sis. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Maybe the children, not they answer their papa name. Their papa name, who knows? Because it's not adding up, guys. May we ask a competitor what went wrong? What went wrong in that place? Because it's not clear. Because as long as what parents have, the children are supposed to have their nationality by now. So what went wrong? How come they are not having? Is it that Ambrose Bobian is not having either? Who knows? Because a competitor know how to fake it. So it's a question we need to ask. How come those children are not having their nationality? If a competitor claim that Ambrose Bobian has. So what went wrong? How come the children are not having? Because if the children bear his name, they are supposed to have their nationality automatically. Automatically. They are supposed to have their nationality. So, you see, it's not adding up. It does not make sense. It's not making sense. Huh? So, Ekobete and Igbobian, they are failures to the life of those children. They are failures. Look at what I give to my children. Red pea. Red pea. Red pea. Back, man. Back, man. Back, man. I gave my children red pea. What Ambrose and Ekobete cannot give to their children, I did. I gave to my children. Isn't that wonderful? Isn't that great? It's great. Yes. For education, they follow. Yeah. May I read una comment before I play audio for una mona list yo jare. I know Ekobete for red lights for Netherlands. Ekobete work together with my ex-girlfriend. Oh, really? Oh, my days. Wow. For red lights. Let me say, not be small. They say now if one bruise, they carry on. For Basico, they carry on, they go to drop in the night. For every night. May stand for mirror. I shall imagine. But still, look at her life now. Na social media, she can't put all that frustration. For all frustration where they are, but in social media, she can't hang and put. That's why they do it, they will not make her. Imagine such a dirty thing like that. All right, may I read comments? Give them ballet, good education, and bring them up in the way of the Lord. That is it. That is it. C'est fini. C'est fini. That's why you reach. If you like, you get extra, save. If you don't like, not save. If you don't get extra, you don't feel thief. Because parents, so you don't give. Most of us not see opportunity where our children get. When you don't feel give your children ballet, good education. Good education and money, oh, don't forget. Good education and train them in the way of the Lord. What else? If money extra, support them to start. If you know extra, they don't even need your money. That's just the truth. Because children, you don't give these two things, you have bettered their life. You have done well for them. Now they will come face their career and remember you as their parents to say, my mama, you try. I'm not going to let you suffer. If, for example, they will also be, they will be give, even though you get your own money, their own applause. We're not they forbid picking money. We're not they forbid that. They'll come, they maintain you, they take care of you. That's the way it be. That's the way it be. He said, I gave my children passport in Highland. Good. Mary Osas. Bravo. You see women they talk? They are women of substance. Women they. Not be money can who are way fair children. I said women they. Women they. Where they run things. Where things not they run at all. Women they. Are you kidding right now? I said women they. See my evidence. See my evidence. I gave out to my children. Single-handedly. See my evidence. I come better way your women are doing marvelously well for their children. Women are moving mountains for their children. Gone are the days when women are weak. When women are relying on a man, when women are say, if man not bring, I not go fit make move. Gone are the days. Women are even moving more mountain. Women are doing greater things even more than men these days. Are you kidding right now? Are you kidding me? Women are doing greater. That is why I be mommy love. One of Spain, aka what a man can do. Mommy love can do it better. That is my AKA. I'm not trying to give myself that AKA. You get why? Because I know the stuff I am made of. I know my capability. I know what I have done and what I am. I bet I not fish out. Are we joking here? Are we joking? Women day. I said women day. Women day. Marty when man not feel move. Women they move on. Women, they make this happen. Are you kidding? Woman when one lazy, now you know. Woman when one can look man, now you know. Woman when one can say, what do they go, now you know. Me, I'm not in that category at all. No, my mother not be like that. Why would I be like that? I am not in that level. Say, if man not give me Maggie money, I not go fit buy Maggie. If man not give me enemy, I not go fit buy Brosia. If man not give me money, I not go fit buy pies. I pray. Uncle, if man not say move, I don't go feel move. I pray. Me. In fact, me my ex, he became jealous. You don't see. This is a true life story. The way me content they reach, my ex when we were together, he became jealous before we even separate. He was lamenting about my success. I wish that me you get this one when you get. I wish that me you get this one when you get. I wish that me get the other one when you get. He became jealous. You understand? He became jealous. He was pronounced. He not feel either he was disturbed by my doings and by the things I was achieving. He became jealous. Not be even joke. He could not stand the progress my ex that I had 4 children for could not stand the grace and the blessing upon my life. He could not stand it. It starts from documents. I wish that me just get this. I wish that me just get the kind of paper when you get. That time my passport never reached my hand though. I see they carry for 5 years they go. I wish that me just get. He became I'm jealous of the grace and the oil upon my head. I've been like, I wish that has a young girl for something. I wish I don't know you before you build that. I for drag down for your hand. Imagine man, waiting man they put for my talk. Is that not jealousy? I wish before you build that house, we don't know before you build that. I for drag down for tossing and me get the money where you take build that. I for follow you drag your own house. Is that not jealousy? Is it waiting terminal they talk? So now life that they talk and so. Is that not jealousy? And many other things. I say, this one I'm living with an enemy. Osha, shift. It get where God will bless you rich. In fact, you know what say? So husband a jealous, successful wife. If man get money, woman go even there happy say, my husband gets. But men woman they successful, so men they jealous. They go they jealous. Say, hey, she's so successful. She's successful. Though they bitter over your success. I'm talking from experience. Okay? So men are not there for all those kind of women. Maybe say, if man not move their leg, they not go feel move their leg. If man not see, put marriage aside. Now my life I come. Life na per head. Now my life I come. I came to making parts. I not just come to marry and born children and that's it. No. There is more to me being a woman. There is a power inside of me I need to possess. Marriage cannot hinder it for me. It's not a force that everyone must marry. I don't go inside the marriage, stay how many years. You understand? You cannot be an interest and obstacle upon my life. In the name of title. You can go to hell and burn to ashes. Because I must fulfill my destiny on earth. So women believe that to just marry, born pikin. That's all they came for. That's all they came into this world to do. Oh really? When your mates are making great impact. You dead there. Your book Kahara, they wait. Other for everything, other for if man not bring Maggi, you not fit cook soup. If man not if salt finish, you not fit go on your own, go buy salt. If children shoes spoil, you not fit replace on your own. If you be that kind of woman, you see who die better pass you. Go wake up. Go and wake up. Go and wake up. Go and make your research. Go see company where women they maths these days. Go and see better, hefty, massive companies. They will say who be this, who gets and who be the CEO. You now woman. And most cases na single women. So marriage, but it's very rare with marriage. Most of it you'll say, oh yeah, she had children, she's a single mother, or she was married before. Go and make your research. Don't let anybody handicap you. Come make you dependent. Be dependent because anything can happen at any time. Any time can be 6 o'clock. Have your own money. Make your own money. Marriage is not a cage. It's not a cage. It's not a limitation. Make your own money. Make things happen. Make your own impact. You come life. You not come life. Come look. You not be wish away. Come wait. Oh God. Sorry for using that word. I don't know who better person they call shit. You not be person where come life, come look. There is a music that time, song that time say, you gotta go man. How they sing again? Yame no swa mariagbo. Nuga yame no doguge. Wago me baba. Let me sing it well. Nuga yame no swa mariagbo. Nuga yame no doguge. Baba. The meaning of that song says, don't make me look like someone that came into this world to just look others while they succeed. Don't make me be someone that just came into this world, that escort others into this world to just come and just be there. He said, God, do my own for me. Remember me. Do my own for me. What me? Do my own for me. Everybody came into this world for a purpose. You have to discover your purpose and make that purpose come to reality. Work towards it to make it a reality. Not be I marry, I born. And you marry? Yes. You don't that man? Yes. You born? Yes. You be like, You not end there. make an impact in your generation. Let your history. Some people there now, they don't go, but their issues, you see they hear their name, say, so person, oh, now you get this motor park, now you get this transport, now you get this hotel, now you get this company, now you get this school, their names still ring bell. Some are no more, but their names still ring bell. Make an impact in your life. Why are you here? Just to marry and born? Okay, if that is all, it be all good. Me, I know the purpose which I am here. And I must fulfill my purpose on earth. Yes. I'm a woman does not mean that I should be empty. I should be dry. There should be nothing good to come out of me because I'm a woman. No, something good must come out of me. Man, na one head they get. Woman, na also one head you get. It's just the difference of breast and kpekus and bola. That's the difference. Greatness where God not put in a man, God can put it on you as a woman. So don't look down on yourself and be wallowing in sympathy. Oh, I be a woman, I can't do much. Who tell you can't do much because you're a woman? See, I call better they fail at children woefully. Children where they're born for abroad, common nationality, they not forgive them. Is that not a failure? It's a shame. It's a shame. Please, lovely people, thumbs up this video. This thing one for. I talk. Let me try and put it nicely. I'm coming. I love your spirit, mommy love. God bless you, Obobo. God bless you. My children first, they are my future. Exactly. All the single mother she jealous on social media are the ones that gave their children passports and still shine on a daily basis. Thank you, Luna. That is it. That is it. Huh? That is it. See this woman, her mama was asleep in France. She's a single mother. She's doing great for herself and her children. She's doing great. She's doing great. Many others. What they sleep by this time? Who is sleeping? If you don't know what you don't know what to do at this point in time, I wonder what you are doing. You just want to live a life by existing. You are not living. You just want to exist and go. No. Make an impact in your generation. Do something. Don't say, now so woman, I do this thing, no. Hey? It's something. You understand? Incompetence is a failure. See the way he failed at children, woefully. Thank God, thank Jesus. My children are so proud of me. Super mommy. Mama, you are the best. Mommy, Ije, you are the best. Iye nogi. Not be failure like Epa Eddie. They talk about saving money for children. That is last. I brought children, saving money for them, that is last. Give them passports. Give them good education. Back them up with prayer. If money they keep, if money not they, alagale. Once you give them all these three things, they are good to go in life. Their destiny is sure for them. It's sure. No joke. No joke. Okay? You know if you live first, you're going to measure last. You're going to capitalize on last because she not gets. Because she failed her children woefully. That is why she's capitalizing. If you ask her now, that same money, now when they say save money for children, she even get one she save for those her children. She even get one, not be so fake her for social media, she know. When the reality comes to say, let's show evidence, not to fake her for social media. In real life, nothing. In real life, nothing. That's why you see jealousy is written all over her everywhere she go. She trouble other people's peace out of jealousy. Because she knew that she has failed woefully. Eh? Enter abroad, 30-something years. You born children when you born for the abroad. How many years now? No documents, not nationality. You feel give them. You don't even give yourself. You don't even give children. Is that not a shame? Then you call they talk. See my own evidence there. I'm proud that I could do it for my children. And I thank God for it. Because it's not easy. Spain and one country will be say, if you not get your picking, not go get. Spain a very difficult country to obtain passport for children. To even obtain for yourself, it's not easy. Any error, you can't have it. You can't. Eh? Spain not be where you go your born automatically they'll give your children. Lie. You must build your own to that extent you go before you go even give picking. It's complicated. But I did it anyway. I did it. Yeah, I paid the price for my children. Why not? Eh? Now wait till I come better with Igbobian put together the nothing do. And the useless money can get mad waiting they talk for social media. Who are you? Why hide your face in shame, you failure? Not only you want the dog collect our children, even with man inside house. Not only I come better don't sleep inside motor with children. Not only they don't they're homeless. So many yama stories all around her. You know the shame. You know the shame. Failure. Eh? So my lovely, amazing people, I want to watch meat. More than listen to Lola. Okay? More than listen to Lola. More than thumbs up this video. When I never thumbs up, I just the check her now. When I not thumbs up, lovely, amazing people, please thumbs up the video. Don't just listen. Thumbs up. Since I did thought, since you must have picked 1 point or 2 out of the words of my mouth. Please thumbs up the video. We don't deceive people here. We say it the way it is. We motivate. I love people that are I love women that know what they are doing. I love women that are up doing for themselves and for their children. I love women that are strong. I don't like weak women. I don't like weak women I don't like women that believe that they cannot, that limit themselves, believing that they can't do anything meaningful for themselves. A man must have a hand in me before they can do anything for themselves. I don't like such women. I don't like it. Ekobete was begging Tiriro every time online with her daughter when she was relocating from Holland to UK. God bless you. Thank God you remember. She did. Since I've been on this social media, I've lost my dad, stuff, things like that. I've never begged. And like I did take God there and I said, God, don't let me see what I'll take beg. I reject it. It's not my portion. A beggar. Bible says it's more blessed to give than to receive. I love to be a giver. I don't love to be a beggar. It's not my portion. I always reject. I always pray against it. Never. Since I did YouTube, I never ask anybody, say, give me first. I know even sabi do one. Not to talk or come online, call a beg. Imagine a beggar of such will get mad till they talk to people a better pass our generation. Who does that? Who does that? Who are you talking to? You will be saying, you see the carry Nigeria ballet, now where your level reach. I am a red P holder. You the crazy of your mates. What you not do for your children, now do for my children. At least respect me. You're mad. You crazy. Huh? See evidence. Huh? My people, I beg, make una thumbs up, make una share, make una thumbs up and share. More than thumbs up, please. More listen to Lolo. My lovely people, don't miss us. This woto, this guangua not be here. May we listen to Lolo while I wash meat, make I put on for fire. I want cook. I don't want to sleep too late today. Okay. So may we listen to Lolo, guys. Please just be thumbsing up and commenting.
This one, the weather is sweet, so the weather needs something from us. Either to chop us with cold, you know. That's what the weather wants. So you can see the picture on the screen, guys.
Thumbs up.
That is passport mothers out there, single mothers out there. Can never be overemphasized, guys. Are you a single mother abroad? Bring your chair closer and come and listen.
Then we listen to Lolo.
Listen.
Then we listen. Share the video.
Come and listen to this message. Number one, single mother is not a disease.
At all.
Okay?
Says who?
Single mother is not the end of the world.
Says who now? I know
single mother is not. title to carry.
Single mother, when the fault is not coming from your hand, you didn't just throw your marriage away because you want to. Everybody have their own story, you know. See, do you know what it takes to be a father and a mother at the same time? Single mother is a prestige. You should be proud that what two people are doing, supposed to do, you are doing it alone. You are a superwoman. That is how I see myself. That is how I see myself. In fact, that is how I see myself. I always tap myself on the shoulder. I'll say, mommy love, now woman you be. Now man you be. Oh God, me. Couple with the things I do, the level I obtain, the upgradement of how far God has taken me and still keep on taking me. I always tell my, if I stand in front of mirror today, they talk to myself. I'll just be admiring myself, say, mommy love, super mama. I'll just be calling myself all kinds of names because I deserve it. I'm not gonna wait, maybe someone praise me before I will praise myself. Oh. Because if you wait, maybe the world can't tell you, say you try. Maybe you don't, praise yourself. It's not easy. Appreciate yourself. It's not easy. What a man cannot do, you are doing it. Be proud. Raise your shoulder high. Be proud. Are you kidding me? You know the work to take care of children all by yourself. You know the sacrifice. You know the work you need to put in every day by day. Be proud. If you be single mother, say you be single mother where useless, where they jump from man to man. You feel not that proud. Where is your life? But so far you are doing the right thing for the life of your children. You are doing well for yourself. You are doing kudos. Kudos. Not let anybody. They never born that idiots. We're supposed to where they are supposed to reduce your self-esteem for you. Do you know what you are doing? You are a father. You are a mother. 2 in 1. You are 2 in 1. 2 in 1. What? Someone that wants to talk you down. They can't. If they carry the load you carry for just 1 month, they will admit them. They will collapse. They will admit them. And you are doing it year after year, year after year. Your children are growing, and you want to let one idiot to reduce you with the words of their mouth. Let me say you don't know yourself. Let me say you don't even know yourself. You don't know who you are. Let me say there's something actually wrong with you. Not just something is wrong with you. For you to take in whatever anybody gets to say. When you know your story, you know it's not your fault. Circumstances happen. Sometimes what man proposed, God disposed. You propose, you love family, you love married life, and that, but situation happen. It's your fault. And so they all tell you say now their marriage house. Many 80% of people, women with their husbands, they are depressed. In case you don't know, they don't they see bola do. Forget you think about say they get man for say they tell you do bola. Even you will not get man for yourself. You they throw water, you they reach your gas in steady. But then when it gets under the same roof, Sunday 6 months, Sunday years, they never know how the thing they be. I even look again, they don't even remember. Because they know they see and do. Don't be deceived, Don't be deceived. You better start appreciating yourself if you are a great single mother. A super one. A super mama. You better start. And if you are be loose guarding, like, you are be weak, you are not doing something, if you start thinking, tell God to give you ideas that will pave way for you to better your life, to better the life of your children. Okay? May we listen.
Single mother do not stop you from anything. Just a human being, just like everybody else.
Share.
How are you doing?
Share the video.
How are you?
It's a disgrace.
So I'm going to be doing this my makeup and I'm going to be talking, okay? Single mother do not stop you from anything.
My darling lady, I don't know how to pronounce your name. I greet you. Your name, no, let me pronounce. I'm sorry.
And even married people. But are you using it well? How are you using your single motherhood? Are you just wasting it, playing around? What are you doing? Oh, mother. Are you focused? Are you taking advantage of it? What are you doing? Are you just there feeling sorry for yourself? Hey, Mama Susan, how are you doing? Are you just there feeling sorry for yourself?
May I wash me? More than listen, may I wash me?
If you live abroad and you are a single mother, come close. You have a lot of advantage. Grab it today and make the best of your life. Down and feeling sorry for yourself will get you nowhere. Oh, they are insulting me that I'm a single mother. My dear, you are wasting your time if you are not using the resources that the government have put there for you to use. You understand? Hi, Mia. How are you? Longest time. My God, where have you been? Where have you been, Mia? Miss you, girl. Later. Huh? Wow. My new song.
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
To your new song. Why at this store? I love it. Now we need a video. You need a video for it. Okay, I will do a video clip myself. Footballer mommy. Oh, that's a lot of work from one state to another. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. That's a lot. That's a lot.
Thumbs up. Mercy, I greet you. Welcome.
I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you are doing okay. So if you're a single mother, it's not the end of the world. Okay, guys? Don't tell yourself because I'm a single mother, you want to sit down and be feeling sorry for yourself, blah, 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 blah. It's not an excuse for you to waste your time, waste yourself, and sit down there and be feeling sorry for yourself. No, this is Europe. Don't feel sorry for single mothers in Europe because you have all the resources to your use, to your advantage. Okay? It's to your advantage if you're a single mother abroad.
Run a thumbs up.
Best use of it. Sure you sort things out for your children like this amazing lady who somebody was trying to bully and she stepped in her bedroom and brought out her children document. If that's all she could do for her children as a single mother, she did very well. Extremely. You people know I don't joke when it comes to document abroad. I don't joke with it.
Naya, I tell Lolo talk. Naya, that means she referred that word to Nayera. For no Nayera, make I rewind now. Nayera, I don't know. Me and rewind now small. Wanna listen?
It's wow.
Where's your call better and Bob? You're not fit to. Shameless.
You love my new song. Why was I dancing to your new song? Why at the store? I love it. Now we need a video. You need a video for it. Okay, I will do a video clip myself. Footballer mommy. Oh, that's a lot of work from one state to another. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a whole lot. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you are doing okay. So if you're a single mother, it's not the end of the world. Okay, guys? Don't tell yourself because I'm a single mother, you want to sit down and be feeling sorry for yourself, blah, 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 blah. It's not an excuse for you to waste your time.
Okay, I better not know this. Doris Peter said, Doris, you're welcome. He said, there is a married woman in my city. She called me every week to report her husband to me. That ever since she got married, there is no peace. She has even developed BP. Are you telling me? A lot of marriages, BP won't buy them. They are buying slowly, every day by day. No peace of mind. Every time, pain, tears. You know they see there. Though you look one now, they're not fresh. Some of them don't look fresh. BP drugs, now they take. I know feel cancer family, I know. Doris Peter, you are saying the truth. I don't think count how many me no. Now by marry, yeah. I don't understand. Now by like that, suffering as any lifestyle. In fact, the man go even in that there. The man go even prevent them not to make moves that will make their life better. Because the jealousy of me, the woman not gonna make money. Like my own, they jealous me then. If I want to do this business, you go commonize her. If I want to do this business, you go commonize her. If I want to do this business, you go commonize her. If I want to what's it call her? Course. So take get better work, you go commonize her. I say, But before I met you, I was working. I was having good job. Some men are limitation for some women life. Go take it to bank and check what this word where I talk so. Some men are limitation, blockage for some women life. You can never go far. They will limit you. That thing will go even make you blow. Will go even give you a comfortable life. They will discourage you out of it. God forbid. Many, they are suffering, complaining. They are in pain. If you know what is some women they go through in the name of title of I marry. Then we listen to Lord Jare.
Self and sit down there and be feeling sorry for yourself. And this is Europe. I don't feel sorry for single mothers in Europe because you have all the resources to your use, to your advantage. Okay? It's to your advantage if you're a single mother abroad. Best use of it. Sure you sort things out for your children like this amazing lady who somebody was trying to bully and she stepped in her bedroom and brought out her children documents.
That is it.
If that's all she could do for her children as a single mother, she did very well.
Yeah. He says, now only this one. I even feel gifts for my children. He said, I've done very well. Not to talk of, not the only money I give my children. I gave my children all. Anything all you can think about. Anything all that you can imagine in your mind. And I'm still giving. You understand? Single-handedly. What a man, a father cannot give, a mother is giving it. Okay? Now by carry brokos. Not be by brokos, oh. Dead.
Extremely, you people know I don't joke when it comes to document abroad. I don't joke with it. Irrespective of who it may concern. When it comes to documents, me, Lolo, I don't joke. I applaud you for staying well, trouble, until you get it. If you want to fall in trouble 200 times plus 1 times, 10 times, 20 times, as long as your document is complete, the only thing they can do to you, they can suspend you from not traveling. As long as you did not buy anybody, they are not going to revoke your document, no matter the crime you commit. They cannot tell you, oh, because you did a bad deed, they will revoke your passport. It's a lie. They cannot tell you because you carry whatever, contraband, they are going to revoke it. It's a lie. They will ban you from traveling, they will put you on house arrest, but you are still a bloody citizen. Do you get me? So before you venture into anything, make sure you are a citizen. They will treat you as one when you commit any crime. Do you get me? You guys went to Atlanta. Oh, and stop in Florida. That's a good one there. Enjoy, my queen. Enjoy. I miss you so much, you know. So before you venture on those things, make sure
What's up, guys?
your document is complete. Do you get me? They have no choice. They will
your name is Esther. If I see you now, I pray I remember. Esther, you are welcome. I appreciate you so much. God bless you, yeah?
like one of them. But not for you to come and don't have it. And then you are venturing into different bad things. you're going to destroy yourself and you're going to destroy the future of your children. Just like one live video presenter that we see right here, who was stealing from the government in the Netherlands via social benefits. This presenter thought she was smart, and she started that she holding a green passport after 30 years abroad.
Talk. Epa Eddie was stealing from the Netherlands government. Ojegile. Unayera. Now what is their body? She dey like to put for another person body. See, I clean finish. I over clean finish. Now the poto she dey rub. She like to rob others. Now yeah, she was stealing from the government. Now the era. Una the year lolo. Na two of the day Netherlands before. Now the era. May we listen.
She is still a Nigerian passport holder. Why is she a Nigerian passport holder? Because she was stealing from the government via social welfare money. Claimed she was a divorced woman. She and her husband, they divorced. And then she started collecting benefits. From there, thank you, love. From there, she started stealing government money. Some of you will ask, but how do you steal government money? You steal government money when you tell them that you are single and you are still married. You steal government money by doing extra work and having income while you are still collecting 100% benefit. That is stealing from the social welfare, stealing from the government. Because when you are under benefits, you don't pay what other people pay. They give you discount on housing, they give you discount on health insurance, they give you discount on everything concerning your children. In fact, they give you vouchers, they give you lots of access that you can use on discount because you are on benefit. But people who are not on benefit, those people pay everything by themselves complete. So this lady you are seeing holding a Nigerian passport on her hand, she was stealing from the government. She told the government she's a divorced woman and government was giving her benefit. When she started making extra income, she did not declare it. She has spent 30 years in Europe right now, of which her children were born in the Netherlands, which they are supposed to have Netherlands citizenship. If you look at this picture on the screen,
now you all green passport. So Lolo puts her own, my own, and Epa Eddie own. Lolo also and her family, they are having red pea, ballet passports. If you want to pronounce passport, now power they say you pronounce them because not be Nigeria passport. Nigeria passport, if you want to pronounce them, you lower your voice. Do like say you want sense. But you see European passport, now passport, you use power. Cause it's not easy. See, now I come a green passport. So now me there this side, Lolo there back of me with red P, women with red P family. Are you kidding right now? There's no doubt. There's no doubt who deg yeke for real.
At the back of it, you will see me there holding 5 passports in my hand, just like the woman with the red passport as well. Okay? So this woman, she was caught stealing the government's money, and she was every benefit they were giving her, so she couldn't survive on her own because there is no how she's going to work and pay her bills by herself, like house rent. And it was time to apply for the passport. Passport is 800 and something for herself alone, not to talk of her children who must have grown that at that time she wanted to apply for it. So this woman could not fill her bills anymore, so she had to run out of the country with the last year resident that she was having to the UK. That is why you see she's holding Nigerian passport shamelessly on her hand, you know, and having a starter resident permit in the UK, because the jobless man that put her at home, that one is a citizen, but the citizenship to him is of no use. Okay, he has a Netherlands passport, but the Netherlands passport is of no use this woman will tell people that she bought a house while a person who is holding a citizenship is useless with his own passport, and she that is holding a Nigerian passport and a UK resident with no job is claiming she bought a property. So you can see that something is not right when it comes to these people.
Okay.
So my point here is, being a single mother is not the end of the world. It's what you do with it. The other lady that you see